Hey there, this is Sharon. I just wanted to give you a close-up of a couple of the paintings I did yesterday. This is the canvas spin that I did. Give you some close-up here. Now, I forgot to mention in the video that I did put a couple of drops of Rain-X on here just to kind of pick up some interest in the areas that were kind of just plain and blah. And so that's what they show up like. They have it, brought it down to the gold that was underneath it. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. And up here, these are, by the way, in case you're wondering what all this is, these are all my notes that I take on other people's videos of the different colors that they use. So yeah, I take inspiration from everybody. So this, I like it a lot. I think it turned out pretty good. There's little cells here and there. Bring it out a little further so you can see it. Alrighty, so the next one is, let me move this out of the way. So I also did a record pour, and if you watch the video, you will remember that the middle was a little bit different than it is now. That is because, where is it? Right in this area somewhere. The paint that I put on the label, to cover up the label, I put on too thick because I was trying to get rid of these lines. And yeah, too much paint caused it to bubble. And so I had to remove the paint that had bubbled up, and it ruined the inside. So I went ahead and put some white and magenta in the middle and spun it again, and this is what I got. So because of the thickness, I did get a few little cracks. Not bad. I can fix that. I use modeling paste, and I just spread it over the crack and wipe off any excess that there might be, and it looks great. And there's a couple little spots where the record showed through, but I can fix that pretty easily. And I'm not really sure what this little blob is right here. I don't know. But anyway, all in all, I think it turned out pretty cool. I like it. I'll give it a 7 out of 10, I guess, on my scale. Now, somebody else that's been doing this a lot longer than me would probably have much better results than me. But I'm learning, so my mistakes are my guide to do better. And I have one more that I want to show you. It's the dark purple and turquoise and black. And I wasn't really able to show you a very good, I'm trying to get so there's no glare. There we go. Now you can see that a little bit better. It's very pretty. Let me give you some close up here. The light that's shining on it here kind of dulls it out a little bit, but there's still some silicone on here that I need to wipe off and whatnot. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a better close-up of that because I know I couldn't do it very well before. But I think it's kind of pretty. I like it. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to share those few things with you, and I'm going to see what kind of trouble I can get into later, and maybe I'll post another video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.